If she doesn't know, I'm really sorry. Yeah.
Have you ever dated? In my biased opinion, I think they are not dating.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to speak a lot in this intro because we are really going to get into the video. Today's video, Riya is going to answer questions that y'all asked me as me. Let's see if she knows me, and second, let's see if she knows the answers to these questions. And if she doesn't know, I'm really sorry.
Guys, I think I know. I'm quite confident in myself. Now I've known her for too long.
Yeah.
So I feel like at least like 80% I should get.
And if she knows the answers, if she knows me, if she knows what to say and what not to say.
I know that. We look like so much like ourselves. Like today you look like you and I look like me. Does that make sense? Like we're just dressed also like us.
Yeah, like I'm wearing a floral top.
Yeah, I'm wearing brown.
Brown.
Yeah. Get to know Kanchi. Have you ever dated? Yes, she has dated. What is your degree about? First of all, she's already graduated. For a lot of people have asked her that.
Yeah.
Graduated.
People still ask.
Yeah.
How many times?
Yeah, because we look young.
Yeah.
She studied mass media at KC College. Do you have siblings? Yes, she has one sibling. Actually, Kanchi is a twin, if you didn't already know that.
I'm giving extra. I mentioned it long ago, like on my YouTube.
Yeah.
But I don't think if people are new here, then they'll be shocked to know this.
Bro, the first time I found out, I was shocked.
Yeah, like I have a twin brother.
Yes.
Yes, but we don't post him over here.
Yeah. He doesn't like the camera, and I understand.
There are people like that. Like everyone has their own.
Yeah.
Like so many people judge us when we are like always.
Even when we vlog, sometimes we have to ask people that are you okay if we
to
vlog?
be in the camera.
Yeah. Next, a workshop. Tell us, Kanchi. I don't know. When she did the Radha workshop, she said, I'm going to take a repeat workshop everywhere in Bombay.
I took one and it went well.
Yeah.
And then I just forgot about it.
But that workshop was crazy.
Yeah.
Like if you.
But I'm not kidding. Today only I spoke and I was deciding to take a workshop very soon, and a Radha repeat only because people are doing it right now. So if you wanna do it,
It's trending, man.
comments, I'll do it.
Yeah.
But I'll do it in Mumbai only, guys. Please, I'm not gonna travel around the country.
First, you will be in Mumbai. That's
Yeah. But I'll do it again because even I feel like that choreography deserves it.
It's about time
Yeah.
also. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Shortest you'd cut your hair, bhai. Abhi recently she cut it so short.
Yeah, it's grown a lot.
Kanchi, which shampoo you use? I love your hair.
Which shampoo I use, Riya?
She uses Redken.
Yeah.
And sometimes even Love Beauty Planet.
Both. I love both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And both you got in PR.
Yeah. Like both I tried because I got in PR. Yeah.
You know what happens sometimes when PR they send you something expensive.
Yeah.
And you use that and you like it. You're like, shit, now I have to buy it again.
Literally, bro, the shampoo got over and I was like, what should I do?
Did you buy it
I
again?
haven't yet. I'm currently completing Love Beauty Planet. But after that, I'm like, should I buy it?
Are you considering?
Because even the leave-in conditioner is
It's
so
too
good.
Really?
You should try it.
Okay, fine. I'll get Redken for my next shampoo. What on earth do you do to stay in perfect shape? She eats so much. She eats anything.
The vlog knows.
Yeah, actually your YouTube knows the best how much you eat. She will like put anything in front of her and she'll eat it. Like,
not anything.
no, but like unhealthy food, chips, dessert,
I need to cut down.
milkshakes. No, you don't need to. You should keep eating. Please guys, comment down below that she should never
But
stop
it's not
eating.
healthy, na? Health-wise.
It's okay though. Youth is to
Look
eat what
who's
you want to
talking.
eat.
Every time we meet, first question we are like, what are we going
What
to
are we eating?
Your fave series. My fave series.
Manifest?
Yes.
Yes. You really
Name
like
two
it.
more because you can.
Oh my.
Even Sahil had named like 3.
Manifest and that one you watch now with Sahil.
You also watched it?
Yeah, but what is it? Ted Lasso. Ted Lasso. That's a favorite series?
Yeah, one of them.
Yeah.
One you're forgetting, bro. That's even your favorite series.
Gossip Girl?
Yeah.
That's so old now. Like,
Yeah, but that
it's
is
not so
like-
long.
yeah.
It's an OG.
It's a cult favorite.
Cult favorite. Yeah.
This whole section is gonna be Taylor Swift related.
It's called the Taylor Swift era.
When did you start listening to Taylor Swift?
Long
Please don't
ago.
get confused.
Yeah, this is all I'm answering for her. I like long ago, maybe like
Yeah.
2 years.
No, like properly 2 years ago.
I think you became a fan
2 years ago, but I know her music
Since very
Bro,
long.
Love Story and You Belong With Me and all are the OG.
That too even I know.
That
I
everyone
like.
knows.
Yeah.
How was the Eras tour?
Bro, I think it was life changing for Kanchi.
Ah.
Like, I don't think she'll ever get over that experience. Like,
Impossible.
I think she was like, it was worth her time, it was worth her money, it was worth everything, because like it emotionally made her feel.
There are no words.
Yeah, there are no words for Kanchi.
Favorite Taylor song and era?
I think her favorite era is probably maybe
You can say 2, maybe, if you're not sure.
Yeah, I think Lover is one. It is one, right?
Facts.
And is the other one 1989 or
Kind of.
Reputation? Oh, Midnights! Bro, she likes all, yeah. Wait, okay, fine. The first one is Lover.
Lover is there for sure.
Is the second one Midnights?
What would you say? Lover for sure, and you can say 1989.
Chal, so my
Yeah.
first two were kind
1989.
of 1989. Yeah. Like, even if I'm not with Kanchi, if I'm listening to Taylor Swift, then it's 1989. Like, in my car, it's always playing.
Favorite song you didn't sing?
Favorite song? One favorite song?
No, like you can say what are my favorites that I listen to or that you know of.
I know she likes So High School from TTPD.
Yeah, current shit.
Yeah.
Very good.
And
There's one song. Yeah, that's.
wait, don't give a hint. I wanna know on my own.
It's a long song.
Oh! I said don't give a hint, so she gave all too well 10 minutes. worth.
Yes. What's the price
Ouch!
of your Eras tour ticket?
It was actually, like, to be honest,
Yeah.
it was better than most people would buy their
Yeah.
tickets at. Like, they got it at a very good price.
But also, disclaimer, we didn't get it when the tickets came out from the original thing. We got it resale, so they'll be expensive.
Correct.
Yeah.
They were expensive still. Still, in my opinion, quite expensive, but it was worth it. Up to you.
More than 10k, below 50.
Yeah, more than 10k. That was stupid. Below 50k. Below 50k. Bro, you know that like 2 days before they were going to Singapore, Satlu was having like a full freak out moment because she was like, I hope the tickets are real, because so many people were scanning their passes.
Because all the resale tickets, you're not sure. Like, you are sure actually because they send you an email and they send you the person's name also whose ticket it is. But there were reels and all going viral that they went and then
They couldn't enter
and
they were stranded outside.
waste and all. So that's why when we went, we didn't directly say we are going.
Yeah. They waited until they knew for sure ki, okay, we're inside the concert, everything's okay.
Dude, matcha and coffee.
Cheers.
Starbucks matcha is not really. If you're a matcha drinker, then you know it's not the best one. I
But
got it
anyway-
so that Riya can taste because she needs to start as a beginner.
I just start like
Let me taste first.
Okay, you'll try this then if I'm trying matcha.
It's very sweet.
It's not supposed to be sweet.
Not that sweet. But the tea flavor is there. Huh? What is that reaction, Riya?
Kind of tastes like cold green tea.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Matcha
bad.
is a sort of green tea only. A type of green tea.
Cheers. Back to answering Kanchi's life questions.
There is one question that's asked a lot. We'll get to it in the end.
That'll be the last answer. How did you start your Instagram career? This is a good one. So, I'll tell you. I think Kanchi and I both were like fans of watching TikTok. Like Western dances.
Yeah.
Love Addison. I used to love Charlie. I used to be very inspired by the way he used to dance. And I remember Kanchi used to be very like in the moment with her reels. Like exactly how actually TikTok and reels is always supposed to be.
Both of us.
Yeah, like you used to just pick up the phone and start dancing. Even I used to do that, but there's questions about her. We used to like just like put our phone there and start dancing.
So that we practiced it.
We would never learn it. Yeah. She kept making reels and
And
apparently,
here we are.
yeah, eventually she just never stopped.
How is Riya related to you? Many people have asked, is Riya your sister? Is Riya your sister?
Yeah.
I'm still short and I'm already 17. I'm kind of insecure. How do I get over it?
Honestly, like I don't think either of us have been like insecure about our height. I think we like our height, and I think you should too.
And you will like it as you grow up, I think.
Yes, I
17
agree.
is the age where you question yourself.
Because 17 is where people look older than you when they're taller. Like, you know,
yeah.
it's fine, it doesn't matter. I feel like you look young for the rest of your life. And also I feel like petite people in
Cute.
general are so cute.
Yeah.
Like they're so chompy, like they're so cute.
This chompy word that she has learned, I don't know from where. Who told you?
I don't know.
Where can I find a good green tea powder for my Answer this, answer this.
You know what? One brand said Elem Japan.
I said in my one vlog,
Oh, really?
I was making matcha.
Yeah, they said, and I think it's good because she likes it. So.
Lol, how are you so good in Ariel? I am not.
No, she's actually good. She's a very quick learner. I feel
I'm a quick learner, but
and also because like she's danced and she's trained, her body kind of is ready for it. Like I feel like if you haven't done any physical activity ever before in life, it'll be tough. But everyone that's good at it has done gymnastics.
yeah. Or dance, or like some form of flexibility.
Even Kathak, anything.
But there are some things in Ariel that I can't just do.
No, I think she has a block in her mind. Like, you know, when she keeps saying,
Even you have, why don't
I
you do
have.
the drop? Why don't you do the drop?
I'll tell you hers and I'll tell you mine. Sheena, like, she can do it, but if I'm looking at her, or if our teacher, if Raj is looking at her, she can't do it. She's like, don't look. I'm like, why you just didn't do it?
conscious.
Yeah. And my fear is that I can't drop. Like in Ariel, there's this thing where like
drop, but you
Yeah.
don't fall down. You're protected with the silk and all.
and
just
it's somewhere you're tied.
Yeah, but Riya will go to the top in the position to drop, but she'll stay there for 30 minutes. She'll bear the pain. She'll do anything, but she'll drop.
Usually
And the drop is for 1 second, and you don't
less than
realize.
1 second. So yeah.
What's my biggest insecurity?
Can I say it? I don't know.
I don't know what you're gonna say.
Okay.
Say it. It's fine.
I think it's her butt.
Why did I find it funny the way you said it?
No, but
I thought you were going to elaborate on it.
Okay,
Which is the butt.
It is how. Okay, I'll elaborate now. I think that she thinks that it's not proportionate to her
Yeah.
body, but I think it looks very good. And also, you don't like your nose.
Yeah.
Like she thinks her nose is fat, but why look at my nose?
What do I do for my dark circles? I don't.
She doesn't do anything. Like
I just deal with it.
makeup, you do 2 layers of concealer.
Yes.
Damn, son, I'm too good. Dark circles are just genetic. Like it's not something you're doing. It's just like how
Yeah.
your face looks. It's fine.
How did you, Satlu, Muskan and Riya become friends?
It was very random actually. How did we become friends? I think Kanchi was friends with Muski separately and Satlu separately.
Yeah. And Muski and Satlu were friends separately.
Yeah, and I was only friends with her.
You were friends with Muskan also. Because of Monkey.
Remember, I went on one trip with Muskan, and that time I asked Kanchi that, oh, is she nice? And Kanchi was like, yeah, you'll have a good time with her and all. She's our vibe of person.
Yeah, and then we just decided, and then we just met together.
Then we would meet at events and for us.
And the
like,
vibes were matching.
yeah, we would really
That's how it
vibe.
happened.
Then we went to Jaipur, and then now we're
Cute.
inseparable. Should I answer this? What do you look for in a guy?
Yeah, what do I look for in a guy?
Yeah. I think Kanchi looks for someone that is 1, funny. Number 2, likes eating the same things that she likes eating. Number 3, someone who is understanding. Like I don't think she can deal with someone that like doesn't understand her work and her job and like just like her way of life. And number 4.
And there's one point.
What?
I don't know, that, but even Riya looks for that. I think.
What?
Is like passionate about something. Like
Yes, they
it's
must
like
be ambitious.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I think, bro, you said perfect. What the hell? Exact.
Are you surprised? Like what the hell? Obviously I said perfect. Can say. How do you deal with people who create so much drama? I
Say.
think Kanchi's very unbothered.
Yes.
She's like, let them do whatever you want to
You
do.
do, bhai, I don't care.
She doesn't care.
And even if I'm involved in it, I'm like, okay, sorry, bye bye.
Yeah, she doesn't care much. Let's answer the last question.
Yes. What
Sahil and you are dating? Why are you and Sahil not dating? You all look so good together. You all should date.
Yes. Saying the questions loudly.
How did you meet Sahil? More videos with Sahil, please. I don't know. I think that's one thing that Kanchi hides from me also. Comment down below whether you think. Yeah. What do you all think?
And like actually,
I don't think they're dating.
YouTube audience should know. If you know, you know.
Even I think.
So just comment. Should we tell them to comment?
Yeah, comment an emoji.
Comment a blue heart if you feel something. Yeah.
If you feel something, as in if you feel like Kanchi and Sahil are dating, comment a blue heart. Let's see how many blue hearts this video gets. To want my biased opinion, I think they are not dating.
Zoom into you. Okay guys, that's it for the video. You all got to know me through my bestie's eyes.
I think I did a really good job.
Yeah,
I'm proud
I
of
think
myself.
nothing was wrong. Everything was correct.
Maybe I
There was
missed out on a few
There was
answers.
no wrong information provided.
But you completed some of my answers.
Yeah, but that's fine. Yeah. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And also wait, Riya's video is already out by the time my video is there. So go watch hers and link it.
That's the rarest thing to ever happen on YouTube, that my video is gone up before hers, but yeah, whatever.
Go watch both and we'll see you. Yeah, we don't need to come in all vlogs.
Yeah, we'll see you